Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lemon rice. First, ensure you have your key ingredients ready for this vibrant dish. You will need about 2 cups of fluffy, cooked rice, ideally cooled and separate. Measure out 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Gather 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal, a few curry leaves, 2 chopped green chilies, and 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. These items form the delicious foundation for our meal. Achieving the right rice texture is crucial for delicious lemon rice. Start by rinsing 1 cup of long-grain rice under cold water until it runs clear, removing excess starch. Cook the rice with 1 3/4 cups of water until it's tender but still maintains individual grains. Avoid overcooking, as mushy rice won't absorb the flavors properly. Once cooked, spread the hot rice thinly on a large plate or tray to cool down completely, ensuring each grain becomes distinct and firm. The tempering is where the magic happens, infusing the rice with incredible aroma. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wide pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter actively for a few seconds. Immediately add 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal and 1/2 teaspoon of chana dal, frying until they turn a beautiful light golden brown. Finally, stir in a pinch of asafoetida, approximately 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves, and 2 slit green chilies for a burst of vibrant flavor. Now it's time to bring all these wonderful components together. Carefully add your cooled, separated rice directly into the pan with the aromatic tempering. Using a light hand, gently toss and mix the rice, ensuring every single grain is evenly coated with the fragrant spices and oil. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, or to your personal preference. Stir in 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts for added crunch and flavor. Mix everything very gently, avoiding any mashing of the delicate rice grains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.